This is an Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of April. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aquarians? Kamusta? Anong meron? Anong bago? Anong paulit-ulit na ginagawa? Nakakatulong ba ang ating collective guidance para sa inyo? Let's see. This is an Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of April. Collective energy ng mga aqua, please. Collective energy ng mga aqua. Paalala, ang nag-iisang account na Mystic Siren ay kay Angeles 11. Any messages coming from a different account, hindi po ako yun. Mag-ingat sa scammers. Aqua, let's see. Good news and guidance para sa ating mga Aquarians. Anong meron? Okay. So, this is like a happy family energy, focusing on future, kabuhayan, kaperahan na makakatulong sa pamilya, future plans. You're trying to get in touch with your intuition, with the divine, humingi ka ng guidance kay God, ano ba yung mga dapat gawin? Gusto mong matanggal ang confusion because this is like confusion in reverse, you're trying to find the wisdom. Meron kang iniisip na ano ba talaga yung meron ang universe para sa'yo because this is like an offer. Hindi naman laging yung cups ay offer of love. This is also like offer ni universe sa'yo na magugustuhan mo na makakatulong sa pamilya. Happy family. And this is like abundance. You're trying to get in touch with your intuition. Ano ba talaga? Anong dapat gawin? The feminine in this connection, marami siyang gustong i-build at sabi niya, hindi siya mag-i-stop kung nasan siya. The tower is in reverse. Maraming rebuilding na kailangang gawin. Kung ano yung nasira, ayusin. Kumbaga, like, whatever na natira, kung ano man yung nasira, kung ano man yung mga hindi nagawa, from kung anong meron kang options, kung anong meron kang resources right now, you're building from what is available at the moment. There is a masculine in this connection na maraming toxic habits with the devil card. Kaibigan, sobrang makaibigan, or like nagkakaroon siya ng kaibigan na hindi naman nakakabuti, or mga sinasabi niyang kaibigan lang pero hindi naman kaibigan lang. Also, the High Priestess, pag nasamahan ng devil card, this is like third party energy, tinatagong babae. Nagkaroon ng feeling of being unrequited yung love. The Passionate card is in reverse, parang nakakawalang gana. Sabi ng ating mga Aquarians, gusto na niyang new beginning. Kung hindi mag-workout ang love na to, okay lang. Kung hindi mag-workout ang negosyo, okay lang. Magre-rebuild, okay lang na mag-back to zero, square one. Sabi ng masculine sa connection na to, alam niyang hindi nakakabuti with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse ang kanyang sneaky behavior, lies, deception, you know. Walang pagbabago with the Death card in reverse. Marami siyang ino-overthink about his own distorted view and practice in love. King of Cups in reverse. Looking forward na sana maging mas maayos ang relasyon, pamilya, kung may tinutulungan sa pamilya, okay? With a Page of Cups, kita mo yung parang offer na yan, kung anong kayang itulong. The Emperor, isang masculine na sa tamang edad, but nakabaliktad yung leadership energy, very controlling, very manipulative. This person is very insecure. Alam mo yung parang toughy pero very insecure, marami siyang fears about losing mga bagay na mahalaga. It could be relationship, money, friendship, okay? Very dependent tong masculine na to sa validation ng external validation, okay? Ng mundo, validation ng mundo. The Empress in this connection, marami siyang doubts kung may long-term pa ba, maayos pa ba tong relasyon na to, because the Empress feels, the feminine in this connection feels na parang hindi na mafi-fix ang connection na to, because of kung ano man yung nakita niya, na-observe niya with a Page of Swords. Sabi niya, okay lang naman maging magkaibigan, maging civil sa isa't isa. The Sun card, childlike energy or literal na bata. Maring ganun na lang yung iniisip niyong dalawa ng Empress at ng Emperor kung bakit kailangan mag-usap. But the partnership, this is like harvest time in reverse. Alam nyo naman pareho na parang wala nang patutunguhan ng connection na to. This is detachment, choice to detach because sobrang nagiging burden na ang relationship na to. Let's see. Walang nagbabago and the masculine feels like the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. May mga nawawalang opportunity sa kanya because of, like sabihin natin ha, this is like bad energy or hindi magandang karma because of his own doing. Let's see. Ano pang merong balita? The reason for the reading is atras abante energy. Parang nagkaroon ng on and off. Sinubukang ayusin, pero hindi naman naayos. Nakakapagod with the strength card in reverse. The chariot in reverse, pinigilan nyo naman to walk away from each other. Naging atras abante, away bate. Ibinigay naman lahat ng effort ng kaya with the 8 of Pentacles. Maraming pinagpe-pray ang ating mga Aquarians with the Ace of Pentacles na sana bumuhos na yung biyaya, yung malaking blessings na pinagpe-pray mo. Sabi ng ating mga Aquarians, okay lang naman, sige, cutting the losses na kung nagkaroon ng negosyo or trabaho or investment na hindi tama, okay lang. Ayaw mo na ng further loss or damages. Ayaw mo na. Cut off na. Kung hindi uubra, kung nalulugi, tama na. Kung relasyon, kung hindi naman nakakabuti, okay na. Okay? And nagpe-pray ka na lang kay God na i-bless yung mga prayers mo, yung mga manifestations mo right now. Meron ka na rin, nagkakaroon ka na rin ng mga doubts kung para sa'yo ba talaga itong mga blessings na to. Okay? You're trying to find the wisdom, kung para sa'yo ba talaga itong pinagdadasal mo o kailangan mo nang gumawa ng ibang plano para sa'yo. Baka naman hindi adya. Parang ganun yung energy. Right now, meron namang enough. With the 6 of Pentacles, it feels like kung gaano yung trabaho, sipag mo, you're equally blessed and compensated by the universe. Lahat din ng kaya mong gawin sa kaibigan, kamag-anak, pamilya, binibigay mo naman. But you're ready to have a new beginning. Your person, dahan-dahan lang. Sabi niya, gusto niyang maging tahimik for now, nag-o-observe. Ayaw niyang gumawa ng any drastic move. Nakikita ng masculine yung value ng feminine. Okay? Sabi niya, alam naman niya, ito yung empress niya. Alam niya what the empress brought to the table. And nagkakaroon siya ng realization na wala ng desire yung feminine sa connection na to na ipaglaban etong, parang wala na siyang desire na parang sige, let the tower crumble if the tower is meant to crumble. Okay? At ayaw nang gumawa ng any move. Parang bahala ka na masculine kung ayusin mo to. But sabi ni feminine, pagod na siya. Basta siya, titignan na lang niya kung this time meron ng change behavior si masculine. Pero sabi ni feminine, she's done enough. Marami ka ngayong iniisip kung ano ba talaga yung mga susunod na gagawin, ano ba talaga yung mga tamang desisyon. Ilalaban ang kaperahan, kabuhayan. In the next 3 months until the end of July, ilalaban mo ang iyong financial stability, glow up, personal growth. Okay? Most of you, like, this is being out in the public, baka merong mga social media platforms, kung ano man to, being seen in the public para mailaban mo yung kaperahan, kabuhayan, like bagong networks, makikipagkilala, networking, kung ano man. Clarify. Ano pang meron in the next 3 months? Patience. May mga darating pa na blessings. Okay. Ibig sabihin may enough. May mga parating pa. Kumbaga, what I'm trying to say is may regular at may parating pa. Mga side hustle siguro. The Lover's card in reverse. I don't feel na maayos ang love connection na to anytime soon. May third party na involved. But tama naman yan. Ilaban ang kaperahan, kabuhayan. Someone would like to reconnect, reconcile. Pag-usapan. Okay, may mga burden energy. This is a reconnection, reconciliation. Kino-consider yung mga masasayang pinagsamahan in the past, wag daw sayangin. Or maring kino-consider yung mga bata with the sun card. Someone would want to reconnect, reconcile, makipag-usap, ayusin to para sa mga bata. Okay? Burden energy, tapusin na kung ano man yung mga tampuhan or, what do you call that? resentment sa isa't isa. But the love connection, I don't feel na maaayos anytime soon or at all. But may mga pag-uusapan tungkol sa, this is like offer of love, sustento, kung ano man, dropping the burden, pag-uusap, but nakabaliktad kasi yung reconnection, reconciliation. So I doubt na magkakaroon ng maayos na like rebuilding of the love connection. But making peace with the past, it's a yes. Nandito pa rin yung third energy. Naghihintay siya ng offer. Naghihintay siyang, see? This is the third energy, lovers. Ito yung hindi magkasundo because of the third party and someone is waiting for the offer. But I feel the official person, hindi na siya umaasa kasi alam niyang merong pinagbibigyan na parang hindi siya option. Kung gusto mong ibigay yan, bigay mo na dyan sa isa. Okay? And the third party is being very patient na maghintay kung kailan siya gagawing official or kung kailan siya kayang piliin ng masculine. Okay? But I feel both of you, the feminine and masculine in this connection, ilalaban ang kaperahan kabuhayan. Wala akong makitang justice card. Kasi kung may justice, it feels like may court case na pinaglalabanan ang pera but wala naman. So it feels like personal to, may nilalaban kang kaperahan kabuhayan. Okay? So that would be the Aqua, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of April. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Aqua.